Hi everyone, and welcome to another one of my videos. This one's for IXL 6th grade AA1 Solutions to Inequalities. On this one you'll be going over seeing if you can find if a given value is a solution to an inequality. We'll look at three different types of examples that you'll be asked to look at in this particular lesson. So the first one you'll look at here is you'll just be given one value. So let's look at this problem. Is z equals 4 a solution to the inequality below? And you would just put that in there. And if we put 4 in there, we have 4 is less than or equal to 4. Is that a true statement? Because this is less than or equal to, that is a true statement. So yes, that is a solution. So let's go ahead and put yes. But before we go on, I actually want to look at the example on this one, because if we look at this one, is n equals 7 a solution? In this case, we would put is 10 less than 7. Is that a solution? And we can see down here they've done it for us. Is 10 less than 7 a solution? And that is a true statement, isn't it? So 10 greater than 7, is that a solution? Yes, that is. So that one is, so 7 is a solution for that one too. So you just substitute it in and see if it makes a true statement. So 10 is greater than 7. So that one would be yes. So let's go back to the one we did. And again, if we put 4, because this one's equal, they can be equal on this one. So we would, I'm not going to submit that. I'm just going to actually go to the next problem I wanted to go to. So let's go ahead and I'm going to jump up to this type of problem. The other one you'll be given is multiple values, and you need to see which one is true. So you'll be given which of the following are solutions to the inequality below. And notice it says select all that apply. This is going to be careful. Sometimes maybe one will work. Sometimes they'll all work. Sometimes maybe a couple work. But you need to see which ones apply. So the first one is 5 greater than or equal to 1. Is that a true statement? And is 5 greater than or equal to 1? That one, so that one works, doesn't it? Is 5 greater than or equal to 6? Is that a true statement? That one's not a true statement, is it? Because 5 is not greater than or equal to 6, so that one's not true. How about this one? Is 5 greater than or equal to 2? That one is a true statement, isn't it? Because 5 is greater than or equal to 2. And then our last one here is 5 greater than or equal to 7. That one's not a true statement either, is it? So we end up with this one being a solution and that one being a solution. So those are the ones we would check and submit. Okay, so those are the ones you're going to have mostly, are those two type of problems. You may run into some, again, our goal is to try to get these to 80. You may run into a few where you may have to do a little bit of work to try to solve them. Let me see if I can get one of those to pull up. One like this where you actually have to do maybe some division or something. And in this case, you would just put the numbers in there and divide them by 29. We could put this one in there and see if we put 29 in there. That would not work because 29 divided by 29, we'd end up with 2. Is that less than or equal to less than or equal to 1? Nope, that one would not work, and we'd evaluate it. 58 would work because we'd have 58 divided by 29 would give us 2, and then we'd have 2 is less than or equal to 2. And then that means since these other ones are greater than 58, we don't even really need to look through them. We could just substitute those in and see that they would work too. So we just select those ones that work and move on from there. Okay. Good luck with this. Let me know if you have any questions, me or your teacher, and keep working your way through these. Have a good day.